Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on the Coinbase app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to buy the Bitcoin, tap onto the search bar at the top right here. Then type Bitcoin just like this and search for it. Now you can see all the pairs of the Bitcoin, which is with the USDT, ETH, SOL, just like this. Now find the one that you want to buy and simply tap on it. After that, here you can find the option of buy. Now simply tap on to buy. Now add the additional informations that you want to buy the Bitcoin, and just like this, and after that you can simply buy the Bitcoin, and that's it. This is how you can buy the Bitcoin on the Coinbase app. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.